What is going on, guys? It's Buggy with Tri-Waves. Welcome back to another video, and super stoked to share that my 12-foot John boat to a bass boat project is complete. Really enjoy the way it came out. Built it a little differently than I have in the past. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you're not already subscribed to Tri-Waves, hit that button. We'll see you guys. All right, guys, so it is day one here on the John boat to bass boat conversion video. Today we are going to go ahead and surface clean and sand the hull of the boat itself, and then we're gonna go ahead and put our first coat of paint on. Also, I'm going to cut off these back bolts here for these old handles. This one's actually missing here in the inside. There's an old piece of wood that's on the transom. I'm gonna go ahead and replace that, cut that off. So I'm going to use the Duralex Marine Coatings paint. I've used this multiple times on previous boats I've had. It seems pretty good for aluminum boats, and I think it was like 20-25 bucks for a quart, so not bad. So today I'm going to start working on the front casting deck for the boat here. I painted it the other day, and as you can see, it snowed the past couple days, so weather's been nasty, but was able to get the second coat of paint on the hull itself. So I'm going to go ahead and start working on the deck here, framing it out. Not necessarily sure kind of configuration of how I'm going to build it. I've done a lot of these kind of older John boats in the past. Might build it a little differently, and think I'm also going to build kind of more of a casting standing area on the back bench here, and I guess kind of wing it, play with it while it goes. So we'll figure it out. It's 30 degrees outside right now, so it's freaking cold, but whatever, let's get some work done. All right, guys, perfect fit here. I wanted it to raise right above the drain plug here so there's no issues, and now probably going to put some kind of support between the back bench seat and the transom itself. Pressure on itself, I'll bolt the back side. That's exactly what I wanted for a little extra support. All right, guys, so next day working on the John boat here, and finally got my matting here and my front cabinet door up for the casting deck finally in. So now I can finish framing off the front part, of course, or where this is going to need to be framed out, supported. So I can finish out framing out the front of the casting deck, and then I will then probably cut my piece of wood for the deck itself, and then looking forward to putting this matting on. I love this white and black camouflage. It's gonna look dope against that green. All right, guys, so today I am going to be putting on the front casting deck matting. The board, the deck itself has been cut out. The hole for the cabinet door has been framed out, so I'm going to go ahead and take the boards off and then cut to fit the matting itself. And then I will be able to then put this back on, permanently screw it on, put the matting on, put the cabinet door on, and then the base mount, and then still waiting for my additional paint to come in for the back of the boat. So I am about to install the Piranha Max 4 here on the John boat. I've actually had this on another John boat that I had back in the day. Great little depth finder. Humminbird makes a lot of great electronic depth finders. I'm going to install it here. I'm going to run my electrical back under here for my battery. I'm sorry it's dirty right now. I got to clean this up and do a little painting and cosmetics before it's done. Again, have my battery back here. And I've always said in one of my last videos on my boat restoration, these small depth finders are really easy to install and they work great. So of course, just depending on what you're looking for, this one was, I believe, like 130 bucks. So really not too expensive and great. Other than that, we are almost done with the boat. I got one more little coat of painting I need to do. I need to put in the front swivel seat here for the base.